Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the fuel filter on a Mini Cooper R50. Replacing your fuel filter is a straightforward maintenance task that significantly impacts your car's performance. A clean filter ensures your engine receives pure fuel, preventing potential issues like reduced power or poor mileage. We will walk through each step, making this process easy to understand and accomplish yourself. Let's get started and keep your Mini running smoothly. Before we begin, gathering the right tools and prioritizing safety are paramount. You will need basic hand tools like a hammer, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm wrench, and needle nose pliers. Always work in a well-ventilated space, away from any open flames or sparks. Disconnect your car's battery and relieve any fuel system pressure to prevent accidents. Having absorbent shop rags and plastic sheeting will help manage any fuel spills. The fuel filter on your Mini Cooper R50 is conveniently located under the rear passenger seat. First, remove the seat to expose the access panel. You will see a cover secured by 5 10mm nuts. Remove these and carefully pry off the panel. Clean any dirt around the housing to prevent contamination. Next, disconnect the fuel line by pressing its green tabs. Use a hammer and a flathead screwdriver to gently tap the retaining ring counterclockwise until it loosens, then carefully lift out the old filter assembly. Now, let's install your new fuel filter. Begin by replacing the small and large O-rings on the new filter assembly, applying a little Vaseline for easier installation. Carefully insert the new filter into the housing, ensuring it seats correctly. Reinstall the retaining ring, tightening it securely, and then reconnect the fuel line. Before replacing the access cover and seat, turn your ignition key to position 2 several times to prime the fuel pump. Finally, start your Mini and thoroughly check for any fuel leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.